Hello class and welcome to CTC101 at Post University. My name is Eric Lacharity and I have the honor and privilege of serving as your instructor for this term. What an exciting time this is, right? It's a new year, that means new beginnings, and this is the perfect time for you to go on this journey over these next 8 weeks. And what a time it's going to be. We are going to learn all of the foundational skills that you need to be successful both as students of higher education and as you transition into the professional world and you embark on kind of your professional journeys. So what are we going to see over these next 8 weeks? We are going to tackle time management. We're going to tackle financial literacy. We're going to do studying skills. We're going to do reading skills, goal setting, and so much more. So it's really important that from day one, you kind of dive in and take in as much as you can from this class. That's one of the biggest things that I hear at the end of each term is that students say, I wish I really took full advantage of this class from day one. So if I can offer any advice, it would be that. Unit 1, dive right in and make the most of each unit as we go over these next 8 weeks. If you need anything from me, I am available during office hours. You can reach me via text, via email, via phone call. I am in this with you. We're going on this journey together. Speaking of that, this is a class community, so I want to make sure that you all engage with each other, that you kind of learn about each other, tell your stories, share experiences, and really kind of try to find that sense of community in this online world. So that's pretty much all I have to say. If you need me at all, let me know. I am so excited for all of you. We're going to have a good time in this Blackboard shell. And if you need anything at all, please do reach out. Have a great time, and we will talk very soon online. Thanks so much.